National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Stewart County in Middle Tennessee until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:29 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Turkey Bay, moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern Stewart County. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Standard Time for Middle Tennessee. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following county: Stewart, Tennessee. The